People say I fix BMW reliability. And honestly, I'm definitely better. But don't relax too much.
More reliable, more refined, more powerful. That's what everyone says about me. And for once, they're mostly right.
But cooling systems and plastic parts? Still a BMW problem. Heat is never really your friend.
Oil filter housing, seals, small leaks. Nothing dramatic at first, until your driveway starts telling stories.
PCV system issues build pressure slowly. You probably won't notice until I start running rough. Take care of me and I'll treat you well. Ignore maintenance, and I'll remind you I'm still a BMW.